Hi everyone, this is Lisa from DBBKAMP. Today I got the puppies out for the first time. They are 8 weeks old today. I have 3 puppies available. The puppies I have available is the blue fawn right here, this male with the green collar. I have Grizzly with the green collar right there. And then I have Diesel, the lilac with the white markings. He's available. And then I also have, last but least, this blue female drummer. Chosen is spoken for. Big boy Chosen, he's spoken for. So I have these 3 available out this litter. Anyone interested in any of the puppies that I have available, hit me up at 229-456-4444. You can't run through that fence, boy. I'm trying to get my shut out. That's Diesel. Diesel right there. Drummer. Chosen. Chosen. This is Lisa from DBBKAMP. I will be giving the puppies their second set of vaccine. They're 8 weeks old today. This is Grizzly. Grizzly is a blue fawn male. He is available. As you can see, the ears are cropped. When I say I'm going to do something, y'all trust me, I'm going to do it. Full tail. He has a black muzzle, clean bite. Nice top line, clean feet. So with that said, because I have to move quickly, you cannot let the vaccines stay out where you can't let them get warm. They have to be cold in order for you to give them their vaccine. So go ahead on and give Grizzly his vaccine, and Grizzly is available. Anybody interested in Grizzly, hit me up. Here's it. 229-456-4444 for this little spunky boy, Grizzly. He is, I know, man, I know. There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh my goodness. There you go, boo-boo. See? And this is Grizzly. Next up, I have this big boy Diesel. Diesel is a lilac. As y'all can see, this boy has a nice top line, full tail, clean feet. This boy has a white stripe down his nose. He got white on his chest, white socks, a little white tip on his tail. And Grizzly is, like I said, he's a lilac male with white markings. This boy is going to be amazing. Also, he also has a clean bite. And just like that, hit me up. Hit me up at 4, 5, 6, 44, 44. Next up, we have Drama. She is the only female in this litter. Out of 4, as you see, this little girl got a straight top line, full tail. She is basically solid blue, except for the little white on her chest, little bits of white on her paws. This girl is nice. She got the short muzzle. Great personality. She's spunky. She might be the smallest, but she hold her own. Don't let the size fool you. This little girl is Drama, and she's represent her name. So anybody interested in Drama, she's the only female. Hit me up at 229-456-4444. Let's give little Drama her shot. Just like that. This is Drama, y'all. Anyone interested in this little girl, hit me up at 229-456-4444 for Drama. Last but not the least, have this big boy Chosen. This is the biggest male of all, biggest bone, biggest head, girth, everything. Everything big on Chosen. As you have to see, Chosen is a blue male with white on his paws, a little white on the chest, clean bite. Ears are cropped. He got that full tail, nice top line. And let's give Chosen his shot. Chosen, like I said, is spoken for. Shout out to Charles for Chosen. And Chosen will be leaving very soon. I have also have given the puppies their dewormer for 8 weeks. So yeah, right now they're on a bland diet because of the dewormer. Sometimes the dewormer have side effects like vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite. So all that nasty stuff. But yeah, anybody interested in any of the puppies that's available, hit me up at 229-456-4444. Y'all, this is Remy. Y'all can get a good look at her, see how big she's is. This girl would be 5 months old. What today is?
Let's see, the 3rd of November.
Okay, this girl will be 5 months old, November the 4th, which will be tomorrow. As you can see, Remy is a fawn sable. She has a stop it. As y'all can see, this girl has a nice top line, nice muzzle. This girl is going to be thick, y'all. I'm telling you, she'll be 5 months old. Let's see, can I get her to look in the front? She's looking at the puppies. And you know she loves the puppies. Let's see, let me stand up for this girl. And as y'all can see, Remy has a clean bite, clean feet. The girl gonna have chest. She got a nice rear on her, full tail. Very great temperament. Y'all can see how big she is. She's still looking for her forever home. Anybody that's interested in Remy, hit me up at 229-456-4444. Look at this beautiful girl. She's nice, y'all. Look at that rear. She get it from my mama. And like I say, nice top line. This girl is nice, y'all. Anybody interested in Remy? And she will get along well with other dogs that you have in your home. She will make a great family pet, or if you're just looking for an older puppy, because with Remy you have some idea what she's gonna look like. And to me, she has the body of her, she has the shape of her dad, but she's gonna be thick like her mama or thicker. So, like I said, anybody interested in Remy, hit me up at 229-456-4444. So I got all the puppies out. And now, y'all, that's Angel. That's my pick. I decided to keep that girl. Do y'all see how sweet Remy is? She loves the puppies. Look how sweet she is. Both her and Juicy. They're not aggressive at all. Like I say, this little girl, she's still available, y'all. So I just got everybody out here getting to know each other, playing around, getting to know the puppies, because they've been wanting to do this for a while. And so, like I said, anyone that's interested in Remy, she is the last puppy available off that King Zeus and Jazz litter. She's the last puppy available, and she's looking good. Trust the process. That's, that's big juicy right there. Just giving y'all a little footage of the puppies playing and everything. That's my pig Juicy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.